Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Measure door thickness, backset, and clearance so components fit snugly. Once measured, mount the actuator plate and mock up the motor alignment. Secure but leave screws loose for adjustment. Connect the battery pack and test motor rotation briefly so you see direction and travel. While doing this, note why. Correct alignment prevents jamming and saves rework. Make sure to keep tools close and a multimeter handy to verify continuity before final wiring. You now wire the motor through a driver to your microcontroller, adding a diode for back EMF protection. This prevents damage when the motor stops suddenly. Once wired, program simple open/close pulses and adjust travel using limit switches or sensors so the lock stops precisely. While testing, reverse motor polarity if direction is wrong and fine-tune switch positions for repeatability. Make sure to secure wires and retighten mounting screws after alignment because mechanical drift causes failures over time. You finish by installing the cover, tightening fasteners, and labeling power/data lines to aid future servicing. Next, configure Wi-Fi and the control app, set auto-lock timers, and enable secure OTA updates so you can patch firmware later. Test at least 50 open/close cycles to confirm reliability. Listen for grinding and monitor motor temperature. If you encounter stutter, overheating, or missed positions, check supply voltage, tighten gear meshing, and verify limit switch placement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.